Hello everyone. Today we discuss about what makes a valuable relationship with customer or how to build customer relationship that earn trust, loyalty and sales. So good brands have always built strong relationship with their customer bases to encourage client retention, expand sales, portfolios, inspire repeat business, and turn customers into fans and brand advocates. However, in an economy increasingly dominated by e-commerce, building meaningful customer relationship has gotten harder. While most brands have seen the size of their audience dramatically increase thanks to online shopping and digital marketing, scaling the personalization required for trust and transparency is complicated. Strong customer relationships are as crucial as ever, so that these posts will share 8 best practices for building them. Provide great customer service. Understand your customers. Personalize your communication. Create value. Reward customer loyalty. Exceed expectations. Communicate consistently and build trust. Get customer feedback. Why building customer relationships is important. Strong customer relationship indeed or audience to your company and keep them in your ecosystem. With so much competition only a click away, it's hard to overstate the importance of building a rapport with prospects, customers, and advocates. Improve customer loyalty when audience know a brand is loyal to them, remembering birthdays, responding quickly to customer service needs, and more. They return that loyalty in a variety of ways. They may consistently choose you over the competition, and they are also more likely to become brand advocates in the long run. Reduce customer churn. It's more cost effective to keep an existing customer than it is to source and convert a new one. Strong customer relationship maximizes your overall relationship ROI by keeping marketing cost value or cost down. Increase customer lifetime value CLV. Greater brand loyalty means additional and larger sales. Customers are willing to pay more for great service and will continue to return to your brand if you can build trust. How to build strong customer relationships? There are as many ways to build customer relationship as there are brands and audience. Some general strategies and best practices to get you started, but be sure to test and experiment with each one to make sure you are creating the best value for your specific audience. First, provide great customer service. The best way to build stronger customer relationships is to provide quick, genuine, and customer service. A good customer service experience makes your brand stand out from the competition and endear loyalty in customer. Great customer service is fast. Make sure your customer service team is always available or at least responds quickly to every request. Prospects who have to wait for an answer stop around, and angry customers who have to wait for help get more frustrated by the minute. Accessible customer service needs to be available through the website, phone, email, and every social media channel where your brand has a presence. Some customers will go to a web form to get in touch, but others will simply tag your brand in a tweet. Genuine, the best customer service experiences happen when reps and brands emphasize with difficulties and treat customer concerns like their own and incentivize representatives to go above and beyond to help your users understand your customers. To build a relationship with your customer, you have to get to know them, understanding what they like and what motivates them in is crucial to meeting their needs. Buyer persons are a good place to start. Building out audience personas helps you pinpoint why and how customers are coming to your business. It takes research, but the reward is that you will truly understand your ideal customers. Good personas will help you define customers' basic traits, segment customers by job title, age, gender, geographical location, education, income, and shopping habits. Identifying these patterns is the first step to understanding and survive and serving your audience. Describe customer state of mind. Think about your customers from an emotional standpoint, not just not just an analytical one. Interviews and surveys can deepen customer personas so you begin to understand what motivates them. Once you establish who your customers are by using buyer personas, you can then map their customer journey. Notice all the different places your customer interact with your brand before, during and after they make a purchase, and use these touch points as key moments to improve your relationship. The final step to understanding your customers is to move beyond personas to customer profits or profiles. Individual profiles are the key to treating each customer as a unique person and building meaningful relationships. Now, number three, personalize your communication. Personalization is no longer optimal or optional. According to insider intelligence, 53% of buyers expect a unique and personalized experience no matter what the medium. The data and technology are available, and enough brands have embraced personalizations that audience expect it. Offer personalized recommendations. Use customer data to pinpoint purchase habits and make personal recommendations. Highlight related products on a product detail page or a shopping cart page once they have left your site. Send them retargeting ads on social media or a personalized email regarding an abandoned item in their shopping cart. Be personal when someone fills out your contact form. Reply with a personal email. If someone calls your business line, answer your phone. It's also best practice to have a live chat widget on your website where customers can talk to a real person who calls them by their name. Send anniversary emails and personalized incentives. Personalized emails sent on birthdays, membership, anniversaries, and other important dates are simple ways to create hyper personalized communications with each member of your audience. Include a discount or other gift as well. In an Adobe study, 67% of buyers said that they want personalized promotions, and 61% said personalized offer make them more likely to buy. Number 4, create value. Customers come to you to make a purchase, but you build a stronger relationship if you can create additional value for them. There are many ways to add value for a customer, but before you start developing these strategies, clarify your value proposition. Any additional value should be rooted in what sets your business apart from the competition. Trying to add value with offerings or service that don't closely relate to your business ends up diluting your brand. With that guidepost in place, here are a few strategies for creating additional value that I mentioned right now. Be a subjective matter expert. Produce a blog or YouTube channel where you educate audience about the field you serve. You can also host a forum to answer common user concerns or reply to questions on other forums like Quora. If customers recognize you as an established authority, they will be more likely to seek out your services when they need you. Build a community. Customer relationship can be reciprocal. Find people whose passions align with your products and work together. Sponsor a Facebook group based on your solutions. Consider partnering with video influencers to promote your brands on Instagram or TikTok. Support a cause. If your brand sells sustainable products, partner with an environmentally conscious non-profit and support their work. If your company has an inspiring founding story, work with a group that supports other unlikely entrepreneurs. Build relationships in existing communities of like minded audience. Now, number 5, reward customer loyalty. People love rewards, as you all know, and they also love feelings like their purchases are going toward a larger goal. Rewarding loyal customers breeds good will and increased loyalty. A well conceived rewards program can also convert more casual shoppers into long term fans. An effective loyalty program might include incentives, offer points or cash rewards. The more customers buy, for example, and users points toward a free book with every purchase. Clients unlock new rewards tiers at higher spending levels. Premium membership, customers pay monthly fees in exchange for premium benefits. Amazon Prime membership, pay an annual fee and get access to fast, free shipping in return also. Apart from any specific program, always look for novel ways to say thank you. Surprise your most loyal customers with a personal card or gift, and it will go far to strengthen an already good relationship. Now, number 6, exit expectations. Depending on your industry, customers will have expectations for the type of experience they are in for. Exceeding those expectations and surprising the customer creates a great experience and builds rapport. Prioritize the customer experience and go above and beyond whenever possible. Anticipate needs, review your customer feedback, and see where you can improve. They read through some competitor reviews and make an extra effort to succeed where they failed. Under promise and over deliver. Customer need to trust you, can do what you say, evaluate what you are actually capable of doing, and give yourself some wiggle room. When make your best effort to do more than you said you would. Teach your staff good manners. Write script and hold training session so staff are equipped to embody your brand voice and exceed customer expectations. For instance, you might want to teach them to affirm and sympathize with a customer's frustration first, or demonstrate how they can take extra steps to solve a problem. Say you are sorry. Failure is something inevitable. When it happens, offer a sincere personal apology and tangible uh, recompense. For instance, if you failed to ship on time, refund the shipping cost. Customer expectations in many industries are fairly low. You can stand out by being thoughtful, true, and genuine. Number 7, communicate consistently and build trust. Depending on your industry, it usually takes anywhere from 3 to 9 touch points in the form of a website visit, email, live conversation, or social media engagement to make a sale. A consistent brand voice and make across all your channels communicates will well and builds trust. Inbound marketing, a buyer will likely find your brands online before you ever hear from them. The marketing materials on your website and social media channels should be unified and consistent. Outbound, once a buyer is engaged and you start to reach out or follow up, be sure not to communicate too much. Excessive sales and marketing messaging can be annoying. Find a good cadence that does not overwhelm the customer will, while also making sure they don't forget about you. Gather customer feedback. Allow customers to easily submit feedback so they feel more involved in your brand. Make sure to act on that feedback to build trust with your audience. There are several easy ways to gather useful feedback. Reviews. Many customers will naturally leave reviews and feedback on your website and social media accounts, but you can request a review as well. Make sure your website includes a tool for customers to leave feedback and encourage them to use it. You can solicit client feedback with email and text surveys. Short, simple forms can aggregate votes and feedback into strategic insights. If you need more details, spend a little more time and money on focus groups and user testing. These also generally produce more accurate results because people don't always behave the way they say they do when answering survey questions. So that's the end of the video, my friends. If you like my blogs, please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Thanks again for watching my videos.